Hi my dears, this is the face part of the bag we started the last video, so this is the second part. It will look like this. The zipper is stitched and we have to add the lining. We will use the same pattern. For the lining I will use this cotton fabric. Cut the same parts, front panels and side panels, and also the bottom. They will be made the same way. For the inside pockets I will use this zipper part from blue jeans and also a piece of the goblin fabric and another denim piece. I will fix them with a pin. The pocket will look like this. For the other pocket I will use also a goblin piece. Cut the lining parts and you see they are the same like the face of the bag. Fix the side panels with the pins. The lining will look like this. We have to stitch it. Let's take the pockets and go to my other machine. It's a Janome sewing machine. Very simple and very useful machine. Now the lining is stitched. Also the pockets. The zipper also is ready. We have to trim it a little bit, and also this floral part. Now we have to fix the pockets. First the zipper pocket. And also the other denim pocket. I like the bags to have a lot of pockets. So we stitched our lining and side to side we have to stitch the zipper part. Let's stitch it on my other machine. It's a special machine for leather stitching. So the zipper is stitched. Also we let a hole to turn the lining. Now we have to stitch the zipper part all around. It will look very nice like this. Now we have to add the side metal parts for the strap. It will be a crossbody or a shoulder strap. We will use the round metal parts. We have to stitch it to be more safe. It's done. And now it's time to make the handles. It will be a handbag or a shoulder bag, as you wish. I will use this brown leather piece. Let's check how long the handles must be. I will need 2 pieces. It's enough. Let's cut them. Let's check if they are long enough and how it will look. It's long enough. It looks nice. And we will stitch the handles this way. It looks much better. Again, let's try and see how they will look. It's a real handbag and the handles are okay, on the right place. Now we have to fix the leather parts with extra studs. I cut some small leather pieces for the inside because I used a cotton fabric for the lining, so it will look much better with some small leather pieces on the back side of the studs. also the metal studs to fix the handles. And our bag is almost ready. The studs are on their places. Now let's fix them with my pressing machine. It's done. I put this leather part to be more comfortable to close and open the zipper. And our bag is almost ready. Also, I will put these soft leather pieces for the zipper. It has to be nice and comfortable. Another small piece for the inside zipper pocket. Now let's make the shoulder strap. I will use a denim, it's a belt for a pair of jeans. It will look like this. We have to fix the leather part. It will be adjustable strap. We have to fix the buckle. If it's too long, just cut it and make the size you like. This one will be enough. And we will fix the leather part like this. Let's try the small strap with the buckle. It's okay. And now the longer strap, how it will look. I think it will be okay. For the holes, to make an adjustable strap, I will use leather pieces. It will be much better. And our strap will look like this. With leather part, I made it double. And the small strap is ready. Okay, our bag is ready. Let's try the long strap. It looks nice. I made the holes. You can adjust it. Our bag is ready and it's very comfortable to open and to close it like this. It's okay. Now it's time to show how it will look on action. Here I am. It's a handbag. You can wear it this way or this way. And let's try what to try first, as a shoulder bag, or turn it to see it on both sides. Shoulder bag, it's okay, it's comfortable. Now as a crossbody bag, you can adjust the strap if you are taller than me. Yes, it looks very nice as a handbag. Our project is ready for today. If you like it, subscribe, share, leave comments, wait for more. All the best from me. Be happy and have a wonderful day. Bye.